Ay, muchachos, están...
Qué rico, Mrs. L.
Thank you,
Bueno.
Mami, it's me.
Ah, hello, baby.
Hola, mami, ¿cómo está? Hi, hi.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
Ay, Dios mío, mami, ¿pero qué es esto? You always taking care of the down and outs.
Hey.
I mean, it's a beautiful thing, but you gotta let them into the house?
Aw.
These are my boys, baby, just like you. I watched them grow up.
Yeah, well, apparently your boys and your real son got some work to do. So, ladies, we gotta roll. Come on, let's go.
Mrs. L, you still the best cook I know.
Vamos, vamos. Here you go, mommy. Take this, okay? Take care. I gotta go.
Take
okay?
care. You take care, son. Dealing drugs, people getting killed, nightclubs. You take care. Go to school. Go somewhere. It's not too late, my baby.
Mommy, but you got it all wrong. I mean, it's not like that anymore. You know, I know good people, I know bad people, you know, but I know the difference. I mean, I know I made mistakes, but things are better now. I mean, how many times we gotta go over this?
If things are better now, then why are you always like this?
Right, but you take the money, right? You take the fucking money every time.
Get out of my house. What choice do I have? I lost my job.
Yeah, well, call one of your other kids, the one you ain't ashamed of.
It's America's next top hooker, the reality show that finally judges women purely on their...
We waiting, bro.
I'm coming.
Yo, we heading to the docks in Ballad. Oh, man. You gotta let up on your mom.
Oye, te oigo. But bro, she rides me too hard, man.
Hanging downtown made you forget who you is, L.
What you mean?
I mean, you a fucking Dominican. All Dominican mamas ride their hijos like that. You think me and Enrique don't get shit too?
Damn right.
Enrique's mama wants his ass to go to college someday. Fool couldn't even spell SAT, let alone GED. I thought he could even spell ABC.
The only thing I can spell is D-V-D-A. Your sister taught me that.
This is the place. They're bringing the stuff in off that boat. We're gonna bring it up here to get in these cars. Then all we gotta do is get them back to the heights.
Easy peasy.
You two, head down to the boys unloading the boat. I'll cover these cats up here.
Oye, mi pana. This looks like a serious amount of shit coming in.
You think we be in for some serious time if 5-0 catches with this?
Yeah, bro. Or a serious amount of heat if some stick-up guys hear what's going down.
I know it. I'm gonna get shot by some kid just out of grade school.
Yo, L, can you check out the boats for anything that seems funky?
Inspection underway.
That don't sound good, bro.
Yo, we got an issue here. I think they robbing us.
Hurry up and load that shit!
Armando, all right over there?
Yo, he can take care of himself.
Hope this is worth it.
Get these fuckers out!
I ain't the one being paid to oversee the shipment.
We got some bad luck, Luis.
You get involved in major drug deals, bad luck ain't never fun, bro. We all know that.
This shit is why you left the heights, wasn't it?
One of the reasons, bro. This cheap shit.
Tip these fools off!
H. It's worth what you're being paid for this thing?
We can't get cussing.
You ain't ripping off these motherfuckers.
That's all of them.
Damn, Enrique, that shit was fucked up.
Fucked up? What are you talking about, bro? That was some of the most successful shit I participated in.
Successful? Shit, bro. I know you slow, but you can't have failed to notice them hoods trying to rip us off back there.
You mean them motherfuckers we took down?
Yes, them motherfuckers. Precisely.
That's just the way things is in the business. Bro, we walked away with the shit. We get it back home, and we gonna be paid. Some mad success for us.
Diablo, you guys work hard for your money.
Only way to work.
Nah, bro. You don't need to work this hard. It's just the only way you know about.
We don't all got what you got, El. I ain't got your looks. I ain't got your brains. All I got is my guts, my gun, and Armando.
Thanks for your help, bro.
Yeah, I guess my shooting was more important than my man management skills on this business trip.
For real, we gonna get paid, bro. Give us a call, okay?
Yeah, dude. Let's hang.
You asshole! You, get out the vehicle, now! Don't make me hurt you, bro!
Oh, you